Hello, everyone. One of the things that I like to do when I'm at home and maybe the weather's not the best is I really like to do some puzzles. So the Alice Ferguson Foundation, we just put out a nature crossword puzzle, and I encourage you to check it out. So I've gone ahead and downloaded our nature crossword puzzle from the fergusonfoundation.org website. And I can scroll down. So these are all the spaces I need to fill out, and then down here are the different definitions for the words that I need to fill it out with. So for instance, when across an organism that breaks down dead or decaying organisms. Now granted, maybe I kind of think I know the word, but I'm not completely sure, so I can come down here to the word bank, where it can tell me the different words that it could possibly be. Then I go up, okay, so there's one across. And I can go ahead and fill in my document. So for instance, one across is that an organism that breaks down dead or decaying organisms. So I think that is a decomposer. So I can go in, I can just type in DECOMPOSER. And look at that, I've already filled out the first word. And then I can continue working down until I get them all completed. Good luck. If you'd like to try this puzzle at home, feel free to download it from our website, fergusonfoundation.org. Thank you.